Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Brandon Mofat here. If you're new here, karibu sana. This is where we talk all things content creation, lifestyle, and keeping it real, especially for students and creators trying to grow online. Today's video is one of the most requested ones. You guys have been asking, how did you start YouTube? Where do you get your ideas? How do you edit and stay consistent? So I'm breaking it all down step by step. And trust me, I'm not holding anything back. Whether you're a beginner or just curious, this video is for you. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. And let's be honest, if I waited for everything to be perfect, I'd still be overthinking in my bed, battling my Wi-Fi signal. So how did I become a YouTuber? Honestly, it wasn't a magical day or some grand plan. I didn't have a fancy setup. I just had my phone, a few random ideas, and the courage to try. My first short? I shot it in my room. No ring light, no mic, just vibes. I edited it right there on my phone and uploaded it. Did it go viral? Nope, but it was real. That one step was the beginning of everything. It gave me the push I needed to keep going and growing. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. I mean, if you wait until you're ready, you'll be 85 years old asking Siri how to make a YouTube channel. Now, being a student and a YouTuber, that's a combo that requires some serious balance. I don't always have time to film every day, so I've learned to batch create content. I'll record multiple shorts on the weekend, then schedule editing and posting during the week. I also try to match my content with what I'm experiencing as a student. Whether it's school pressure, funny moments in class, or just relatable life stuff, discipline is doing what needs to be done, even if you don't feel like it. Sometimes, I be editing at 1 a.m. like, do I really want to be famous or should I just sleep? As for content ideas, I find inspiration literally everywhere. Life experiences, trends, TikTok, YouTube shorts, even the comment section. I keep a notes app filled with random video hooks, script ideas, or topics I'd like to try. I'm always scrolling through content not just to consume, but to study what works. If I see a trend, I think, how can I twist this into something relatable or funny for my audience? Creativity doesn't wait for that perfect moment. It fashions its own perfect moments out of ordinary ones. Also, 70% of my content ideas come while I'm pretending to study. In the shower. Now let's talk editing. I mainly use CapCut, and sometimes I switch to InShot depending on what mood I'm going for. CapCut is my go-to for its auto captions, effects, and easy trimming tools. I always start by cutting out the boring parts. No one wants to watch you breathe for 10 seconds straight. Then I add subtitles, background music, and a few transitions or overlays. Editing is where I really bring the video to life. InShot gives me some nice layout tools when I want something clean and simple. Both apps are totally beginner-friendly, and all you need is your phone. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Arthur Ashe. Editing is like cooking. Sometimes it's fire, and sometimes you realize you forgot the salt, aka the captions. After editing, I upload my videos through the YouTube Studio app. I come up with catchy titles, sometimes with emojis, and include hashtags in the description to boost visibility. I usually post in the evenings when more people are online. Consistency has helped me grow, even more than going viral. Posting daily, or even a few times a week, trains the algorithm and builds a loyal audience over time. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Robert Collier. Also, nothing feels better than hitting upload and then pretending not to check views every 3 minutes. So how do I stay consistent? It's all about structure. I plan ahead, stay organized with my ideas, and never wait for motivation to strike. Because motivation fades, but commitment keeps you going. I treat YouTube like a class. It's part of my schedule, and just like homework, I have to show up whether I feel like it or not. And the truth is, the more I show up, the easier it becomes. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. Besides, if I can manage YouTube in school, you can definitely post that one video you've been overthinking for 3 weeks. To anyone watching this and thinking of starting, don't wait. Use what you have. Start with your phone. Speak your truth. Share your ideas. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be real. The journey might be slow, but it's worth it. You'll learn, you'll grow, and your audience will grow with you. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. And if you ever feel like giving up, just remember, even viral creators once posted videos that only got 7 views and a like from their mom. Thanks for hanging out with me and watching till the end. If you found this helpful or even just entertaining, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. That's Brandon Mofat. By the way, and let me know in the comments what part of my process you'd like me to go deeper into next time. I'm always down to help other creators grow. Until next time, keep creating, keep learning, and remember, done is better than perfect. Peace out.